Hi everybody, it's Claire from Claire's Food Haven. Tonight we're going to be cooking Ultimate Chicken and Mushroom Pie by HelloFresh. Let's have a look at the ingredients. We'll be using 240 grams of diced chicken breast, 450 grams of potatoes, some mushrooms, whole grain mustard, chicken stock paste, grated hard Italian style cheese, 75 grams of creme fraiche, 2 garlic cloves, a ready rolled puff pastry, and some tender stem broccoli. Okay, first up, we'll add some oil into the frying pan. And then the chicken. And the mushrooms. We'll be serving this with some creamy mashed potato. So the next step is to peel the potatoes. And chop them into chunks. Put the potatoes on to boil. Give this a stir. The chicken and mushrooms smelling lovely. So I've just added the 2 cloves of garlic in there, finely chopped the garlic, added that in with the cooked chicken and mushrooms, and fried it up for about a minute. It's smelling lovely. Now it's time to add 75 ml of water. I'm just going to put a little bit of the whole grain mustard in. I'm not going to put much in. It's given us a whole packet here. I'm just going to use a little bit of this. There we go. And the creme fraiche. It's easy to screw the lid off there and just squeeze that in. There we go. Lovely. The recipe card says we want to cook this for a few minutes. I nearly forgot the chicken stock paste. Let's put that in. It's smelling nice. Turn the potatoes up a bit there and going. Now the recipe card says you to bake it in the oven, but we use an air fryer, so I'm just going to turn this off now and put it in the air fryer dish. I think this is the most suitable one that we've got for size. potatoes are going for it. I need to turn them down. Quick about this. So we have got the filling in there. My plan is just to put the pastry over that. Let's give it a try. So this is the ready rolled puff pastry that comes with the HelloFresh meal. Okay, that way. We're not going to need all of this, folks. And we can use the rest of this to make something else with another day. Poke a couple of holes in there. The recipe card says brush with a little milk if you have some, so I'm just going to use milk. You can also use egg for this job. You can whisk an egg and put that on your pastry, that'll make it go a nice golden colour. So I've just put it on the air fryer at 190 degrees for 12 minutes. If you're using an oven, you would bake it for 15 to 20 minutes at 200 degrees. Next, we'll get the broccoli ready to boil. So for this, I like to just take the ends off. I'll just pop the broccoli on now. Right, let's have a look at this pie. Ooh, pastry looks good. I'd say that's definitely cooked. We'll add some butter in with this potato. And we'll also add a little bit of milk. And some of their Parmesan style cheese. They call it grated hard Italian style cheese to HelloFresh. It's a bit like Parmesan. Put that in and mash it all in together. And it should melt all lovely and gooey in with that potato. Yes. Brilliant. Serve this out between the plates. And the broccoli. Now for the pie. And there is plenty of sauce in the bottom of this pie dish to add on to that. In the bottom of this pie dish to add on to that. Lovely. There we go, ultimate chicken and mushroom pie with tender stem broccoli and cheesy mash by HelloFresh. Bon appetit. The ultimate chicken and mushroom pie that we ate last night was absolutely delicious. The creme fraiche worked really well in the pie. It was a nice rich sauce, and the cheesy mash was beautiful. The tender stem broccoli was really fresh. We both really enjoyed our meal. HelloFresh have some great offers on at the moment, and if you click on the link in the description, you'll get some fantastic discounts. Plus, if you sign up to HelloFresh using that link, we will get a £30 credit on our account. So thank you everybody for watching, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you all soon for some more cooking.